Okay, let's dive into this because what we're talking about today is a genuine revolution in how websites get made. Seriously, everything you thought you knew about needing weeks of work and a ton of money, well, that's about to change. Welcome to the era of the AI website builder.
I mean, really think about that for a second. The entire process of taking your idea, your business, your passion, and putting it online, done. Before you even finish your morning coffee. It honestly sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but this is the reality of web design today.
And just look at this contrast. It's night and day, right? On one side, you've got the old way, wrestling with code, trying to find and afford designers, waiting weeks, and watching the costs pile up. And on the other side, you just type a simple sentence. That's it. And an AI builds everything in minutes for a tiny fraction of the cost.
So yeah, let's just go ahead and call it. The old way is officially over. All those roadblocks, all those things that kept so many great ideas from ever getting online, they're basically just crumbling away.
For decades, these were the mountains you had to climb. You either had to become a programmer yourself, learning languages like HTML and CSS, or you had to pay someone who was. And it was always so slow, so expensive, and heaven forbid you needed to make a simple change later that could turn into a whole new project.
So what's the game changer? Well, imagine having your own personal web developer, ready to go 24/7. That's pretty much what AI is offering you right now. The raw power to take whatever's in your head and turn it into a live, functioning website. Like, instantly.
It's really important to get what these tools are actually doing. An AI website builder isn't just a slightly fancier template. Nope. You give it a simple instruction in plain English, and it generates the whole shebang. We're talking the layout, the text, the color scheme, even finding the right images. It literally designs and writes it all for you.
30 seconds. Just let that number sink in. That is the kind of power we are talking about here. Some of the top AI tools out there can take your idea and spit out a complete multi-page website draft in less time than it takes to watch a TV commercial. It's kind of mind-blowing.
And you know, beyond that insane speed, you start to see all the other massive benefits. It's completely accessible, right? You don't need to know a single line of code. It's incredibly cost-effective. The AI even tailors the design to your specific industry, and it builds in things like SEO to help you get found on Google. It's the whole package.
So, you're probably thinking, okay, where do I start? Well, here's a quick cheat sheet of some of the heavy hitters. You've got Durable, which is famous for that 30-second website generation. Wix and Squarespace are legendary for their beautiful, high-quality designs. And Hostinger is a fantastic all-arounder if you're looking for something affordable and easy. They each have their own special sauce, really, depending on what you need. All right, so you get the what and the why. Now let's get to the fun part, the how. And I promise what I'm about to show you is a blueprint that literally anyone can follow to get a website live in under half an hour. And really, it all boils down to this simple 5-step process. First, you just figure out your goal. Then you pick one of those builders. Next up, you give the AI its instructions. After that, you get to tweak and customize the results. And finally, you hit publish. That's it. You're live. The real magic, honestly, is in step 3, prompting the AI. And you don't need to be some kind of tech wizard. Just look at this example, a clean portfolio site for a freelance photographer in New York. It's just a normal sentence. It's how we talk. And the AI totally gets it and runs with it.
And here's something crucial. You are not locked into whatever the AI spits out first. Not at all. Think of the AI's creation as an amazing first draft. From there, you can easily click to change the text, swap out images, or just drag and drop entire sections around until it feels perfectly, well, you. Okay, so this all sounds amazing in theory, but who is actually using this stuff? Let's take a look at some real-world examples, because it's already changing the game for so many people out there. The answer is pretty much everyone. I mean, this is what it looks like when the playing field gets leveled. You've got small service businesses like cleaners and consultants getting online in minutes. Freelance photographers are creating gorgeous portfolios. Startups are building quick landing pages to test an idea without spending a fortune. The versatility is just incredible.
I mean, when you put it side by side like this, the picture is so clear. It's not even a fair fight, is it? The time to launch plummets from weeks down to minutes. The cost just craters, and the technical skill required goes from you better be an expert to can you type a sentence?
And get this, people are using these tools to build websites that a traditional agency would have charged them $10,000 for, maybe even more. And they're doing it in under an hour for a tiny, tiny fraction of that price. The value you get is just immense. So look, this isn't some technology that's coming down the road. It's here, it's ready, it's accessible right now, and it is fundamentally changing who gets to build a business and share their voice online.
Ultimately, the tools are now simple enough for absolutely anyone. Your vision can become your website, and your launch can literally happen today. So all the old excuses are gone. The only thing left standing between you and a live website is this one simple question: what will you create?